Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ella, and today I'm here staying at the Yacht Club. We're doing a little staycation here for the night, and I wanted to show you guys just a quick tour of this room. They recently renovated it within the last 6 months and did all sorts of really cute new finishes to it, so kind of wanted to show you guys just a little bit around our resort view room. All right, so we're staying in room 3194. So in order to open your door, you can either have a key, you can use your Magic Band, or you can even use your My Disney app, which is really cool. Scan right in. All right, so welcome to the room. First off, I love that they have hardwood floor in here. It's literally perfect, especially for the pool, and the pool has sand in it, so it's great to not to track it everywhere. It's easily vacuumable, not in the carpet. But then over here you have a little coffee bar, which is nice. You've got some cups here. You have your little ice bucket, and then you have all sorts of different coffee things, sugar, some creamer. You have a little Keurig, and then you even have a little mini fridge down here. Store a few little things in there. And then on this side you have just a little closet with all sorts of different storage. It's got this up here. I love the light in it. Got some hangers, all sorts of different just little shelves, and a place to store some of your shoes right here. So you got all sorts of storage. Got some up there that's a little more open, and then down here, oh, and you even have a ironing board, so that's perfect, and a steam iron, so if you need to steam anything or iron, perfect. You got a little safe here, and then some more open shelves down here. All right, let's check out the bathroom. You got this nice sliding door, and look at the wallpaper. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. They recently just put these in a little while ago with the update, and I actually really love it. Look at the little Mickeys and the little knots. That is adorable. I love it. It's very nautical theme. You got your lights up there. You got this big mirror. You have this little mirror over here too. Got some tissues. They also have a vanity kit right now, and a shower cap and mouthwash. Ooh, I don't know if that's always going to be there or if this has always been there, but that's really nice. You got your soap, body lotion, some towels over there. You do have a blow dryer, just so you know, so if you forget yours or don't want to have to bring them, they do have that. You got a trash can, and then you also have a bunch of different towels, and you can always ask housekeeping if you need any more. And then there's this part of the bathroom. I'm pretty sure that they repainted all of this, which is nice. It looks a little more refreshed. You got some hooks up there for your towels and stuff. You have your toilet, trash can, some extra toilet paper, and even more towels here. And then you have your shower with the sliding doors. You do have some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so if you didn't want to bring them, you could always just use these. I like the little ledge here that you have. You can put a few little things on here. They even have one down here, which is nice too. And then you do have kind of a rain shower a little bit right with that one. And then you also have a wand here, so you got a few different options, and of course a tub, which is really nice if you have littles or if you just want to sit and soak or whatever. It's perfect. Oh, and you have a little clothing line too, so with all the swimsuits and stuff, you can put this all the way over there and hang your clothes. Okay, and then for the main room, this is where most of the things have been redone. A lot of the actual furniture has stayed the same, but they've reupholstered some things. They've changed out some of the pictures and just little things here and there. So on this side, you've got just some nice blank space, which is literally perfect. We have really big luggage, so it easily could fit 2 of them right over there. You've got a nice big TV. And then you have this little dresser. It does have some outlets, which is nice on both sides. It's got these and those on that side, and then the same over here, which is perfect. Then you got some nice drawers. You have this shallow one, and then you have some more deeper ones on the way down. And in this drawer, you even have an extra pillow and blanket if you need that. You have your little trash can and recycling here. And then you have this couch. This one has either been reupholstered or they've taken it out and swapped it with a new one. They used to have just this like beige one, but I really love this. It's fun, kind of nautical. I love the blue and kind of that like pinkish red going on. They brought back the throw pillows, which are nice. Adds like a nice touch to it. It's not just a couch, it's also like a single bed, and you can fold it down at night. I'll kind of put a little video of what that would look like. So it kind of is a couch and a bed. And I love the little artwork. Isn't it cute with little Donald, Goofy, and it's on the Queen Mini, which is just adorable. I love how they've themed that. And this light. This is so cute. It's a little Steamboat Willie. Like, look at that. Isn't that like the cutest? And another little touch I love is these curtains. This is so cute. They used to be just like little like stars or constellations, but now they have like little ships. So they have like the Steamboat Willie here. Who else do they've got? They have Queen Minnie. They also have Daisy right up here. They have the little Miss Daisy. It's really cute and very like nautical, but also like Disney, which is perfect. And not only do you have the blackouts, you also have the shears, which is nice. So then you can kind of decide which one you want, or even both. Then moving on to this side of the room, we've got the desk here and then just this little chair. Something also nice is that this other desk also pulls all the way out, so you could always use it if you're eating dinner and want to like have it by the bed, or if you're eating on the couch or whatever. It's perfect if you need a little place for work and you need like 2 little desks. It's great. And then you got this little mirror. You have a little light. You have even more plugs, which is really nice, especially as like a family of 5. We always have so many like phones and tablets and things everywhere, so it's perfect to have a lot of different things to be able to plug in. You even have a little USB there, which I haven't seen in many of them. And then you have your little Hey Disney. This is so cute. You can do all sorts of fun things on it, and they even give you a little thing all about it and what you can do. It's so cute though. Perfect little Disney touch. I do really love these little shades. They seem to have changed them out and they feel just a little more nautical. The wallpaper behind here has stayed the same, but the only difference is they painted everything. It used to be like a manila. Now it's a little more bright white, which makes the place feel a little more open. And then they painted the trim blue, which I honestly really love. I feel like it adds just a nice little touch to it. And then the beds, they brought back the throw pillows, which I'm excited about. I think they just add like such a cute little Disney touch. Isn't it cute? Little Steamboat Willie, his little ship. I love it. So in this room, we've got the 2 beds. You've got a little nightstand in the middle, which is fun, with even more drawers in here too. They're just like little ones. And then a bigger one down here with the Bible in it. And then you've got your telephone and even more plugs. And you even have a USB down here too. One thing they did add though is the rug, which I really love. It's super cute and it's nice. It kind of fills the space a little more. Love the little waves, and even on the corners, they have little Mickey on them with the little ship. Isn't that cute? I just feel like it adds it in a little more and ties in the whole nautical Disney theme. And then you even have this little artwork. It's the Queen Minnie. I love that with little Minnie and Mickey. Cute. And then on this side, you have a couple more outlets, and then just a little shelf. And then lastly, we've got the little balcony. You have your lock up here, little lock here. There we go. And you just slide it right open. This is just a resort view room, so it's not a water view. That one, you face like the pool and everything. So this is just like your standard one. It does face into this room, which is fun, but you know, it's fine. You do look at the entrance, and then just the convention center is like right down there. But it's cute. We don't spend much time out here anyways, and they just have 2 little chairs, a little table. So not bad. Overall though, I really love it. I feel like they added just a lot more little like Disney and like nautical touches that it was really missing before. It was just a little more bland. Here I feel like they've just really stepped it up and made it feel a little more cozy and nautical themed, which is great. So I've loved all the little changes that they've got going on. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for our little staycation to see everything else that we've got going on. I'll link it down below once it's posted. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!